Tiga.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 2 with the members are Adam Arya Nugraha and me, Karimah Koyunisa, and we are from International Class of 2018. Today, in this occasion, we are going to present about our article analysis with the title is Mathematics in Perspective of Sundanese Culture. The name of the author is Aji Setiawan in 2017, and the name of the journal is Journal on Mathematics Education. Okay, there are several points that we will discuss today. The first is background and theory meaning. The second is objective. The third is method. The fourth is discussion. And the fifth is conclusion. Okay, for the background and theory meaning will be explained by me. Mathematics is a research program that focuses on the relationship between mathematics and culture, according to Albanese and Perales 2015. Mathematics first introduced by educators and mathematicians from Brazil. The names is Upiratan de Ambrosio in 1997. According to Burton, 2016, also explained that de Ambrosio suggests mathematics education must include its cultural roots in studying the essential culture process of techniques of doing, explaining, and knowing about our natural and social environment, and he emphasized mathematical experimentation, modeling, and mathematics research. The purpose of the study of mathematics are understanding the relationship between mathematics and culture, optimizing the application of mathematics to the lives of students and the community, and utilizing specific cultures that exist in a community. An ethnomathematical program solves mathematics with the human factors, not an abstract human, as the object of modern science, but a human situated in a space and time that implies different knowledge and different practice, according to Pice 2013. Mathematics, especially in the field of education, is in line with realistic mathematics education or RME, influenced by the concept of mathematics as a human activity. Sunda people are already accustomed to using mathematics as a tool for calculation in performing daily activities in various fields, as follows: determining the time of planting in the field of agriculture, using a single measure in the trade is ahead, and the forecast low tide weather sea by fishermen and others. Okay, and then the next is objective of this article. The first, to assess the role of mathematics in the culture of mathematical calculation are still performed by the Sundanese people in the countryside. The second, assess the role of mathematics in society and Sundanese culture relating to the calculation of time and symbolic clock Sundanese people. And the third, assess the mathematical models are still in effect on Sundanese culture relating to the calculation model tide, which is still widely used in fishing communities in West Java. And then for the method will be explained by Adam.
Okay, next is method and procedure. The methodology used in this research belong to exploratory research method, the research excavation. It means that the method is to find and to know a phenomenon or even concept or problem with conducting an assessment of the symptom. The procedure of research conducted adopting ethnographic approach by Spradley, including the following steps: establishing informant, conducting interview with informant, making notes ethnographic, ask question descriptive, analyzing the result of ethnographic interview, create a domain analysis, asking question of structural, conduct taxonomic analysis, and the last is rating ethnography. Okay, next is discussion. Result and discussion. The result show that ethnomathematics still widely used by Sudanese people in conducting and communicating daily, especially by people in rural area. In detail, several types ethnomathematics are still widely used by the Sudanese people are described as follow. Number one is Sudanese community symbolic measuring instrument. This research examined the symbolic measuring instrument that apply to the Sudanese people. The habit of using the symbolic measuring instrument is still widely used, especially by the Sudanese people in the village. Symbolic measuring instrument that is still widely used in the Sudanese people, among other. Number one is to measuring length. Sudanese people in their daily life already has some benchmark to measure the length of an object. Usually use a lot of member of the human body as a tool to measure the length of the object to be measured. For example, cangkeng, lengkah, and so on. And then to measuring weight. Sudanese people has some benchmark to measure the weight of an object. Usually a lot of use of limb as a tool to help measure the weight of the measured object. For example, use include tangan, jari tangan, siku, depa, jengkal, and so on. And then measuring height. Sudanese people has some benchmark to measure the height of an object. Usual a lot of use of human body part that are used as a tool to help measure the height of particular object. For example, include tangtung, mumuncangan, bitis, cangkeng, sirah, and so on. And then measuring volume. Sudanese people has some benchmark to measure the volume of an object. Usually a lot of use of household appliances are widely used in everyday activity. A tool to help measure the volume of commonly used hands, cups, and limbs that are widely used include hand, namely couple, and so on. Next, to measuring group. Sudanese people in their daily life already has some benchmark to measure the group of object. Usual group with one object in according with certain rule and then solve per group. Okay, then to measuring board. Sudanese people has some benchmark to measure the area of location. Location is usual measure using a variety of tool to measure widely using among all the rope or mine. And then measuring angle. Sudanese people has some benchmark to measure angle. Usual measure vertex is the starting point for the measurement and angle measure using rope or mine. Okay, the last is measuring unit. Sudanese people has some benchmark to measure the force of number. Usually the object is calculated by a variety of specific symbol or specific term. Okay, Next is portrayal symbolic time. Karima.
And then the next is portrayal symbolic time in the community Sunda. Sunda ancient ancestor had known the clock in a way described by the symbol of expression that are tailored to specific natural condition. Symbol of hours with the expression of words commonly used by the ancestor of the Sundanese people to describe the time. Next. And then this is jam simbolik masyarakat Sunda, such as Wanci Lingsir Panonpo, Wanci Janari Letik, Wanci Ngagayuh Kasupuh, and etc. Next. And then the next is mathematical modeling. Model determination of time tide sea coast fishing at Santolo Beach. People in the south coast at West Java province in general use the sea as a livelihood. Business activities to utilize the result of the sea is generally done during seawater in low tide condition. In the daily life of fishing communities, especially be true in the Santolo Beach, hereditary on benchmark or a simple mathematical model, making it easier for fishermen business activities livelihood, either on the beach or on the high sea. And then the formula to know the seawater receding is equals 4/5 times the depth beach area. Next. Okay, and this is the schema of the model calculation of receding seawater. Timing model type still used at the beach Santolo at Pamengpeuk, Garut. Next. Okay, and then quick ways to calculate days ahead in Sundanese culture. Calculation of the next 10 days described by mathematical model given by HAP equals to HA times P over 10. And the A symbolizes the current day, P symbolizes 10. And then mathematical model for calculation someday to N given by HAN equals to 70N. A symbolizes the current day and N symbolizes the any natural number. And then mathematical models for the calculation of any day ahead given by HAB equals to HA times C plus D. A symbolizes the current day, B symbolizes the natural number, C symbolizes the natural number divisible by 10, and D symbolizes the time B 3 days by C. Next.
The last is conclusion. Conclusion first. In the culture of Sudanese people, generations are accustomed to using symbolic mathematical calculation that are used in daily activity. And second, Sudanese people have the ability good in ethnomathematics and need to be socialized, used, and maintained in particular by the formal educator. And giving an overview to the Sunda younger generation to come that the Sudanese community rich with ethnomathematics and need to be preserved so that no time lost. The last, provide inspiration and motivation for the government, especially in education authorities, to preserve the culture through ethnomathematics on realistic mathematics education program and can improve information for tourists in their respective region. Okay, I think enough. That's all for us. Sorry if any mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Bro.